Hello everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. How you doing? Happy Sunday. I got something awesome to open up today. Do you like my makeup? I got a new phone and I did a review on all of this stuff, and I don't think the video came out that great because I don't know how to work the new phone. And it's like, I don't know, my face looked yellow. It was weird. I felt like raw Christy Beauty going, do I look yellow? You know how she always says, do I look orange? Anyway, so today we are reviewing brown paper packages. Oh, something just got processed by Canada Post. Yay. So brown paper packages is a Canadian subscription. It is every 2 months. I put this in my memos if I can figure out where to put it in my new phone. In my memo. Where are you? Where are you, memo? I'm trying to talk over my husband's friends. They're here watching football, and I'm actually trying to talk over them so you guys don't hear them. And where is the memo? Oh my God, for real? I put it in here. Memo, under the new phone. Where's the memos? Okay, brown paper packages. It's a Canadian subscription. It is $59.95 every 2 months. Shipping is, I think it's $8.50. I'm going to put it here on the bottom, how much it is and how much shipping is. It ships to Canada and the U.S. It's every 2 months. It's called Brown Paper Packages. And I know they also have other boxes as well. I'll leave their link down below. Check it out. I don't have, I got this free to review, but I don't have an affiliate link or anything like that. So, and I also got, she dropped off the box to me last night. Hi, Miss Sandra and her sister. This is from a company called Stray Cat Cosmetics. It's a new Canadian cosmetic company, and I have their lipstick on today. I love the lipstick. I love a bullet lipstick anyways. I'm not a matte girl. Such a pretty color. So I have that on, and it went perfect with my Milani lip liner. You know how much I love my Milani lip liner. Okay, so brown paper packages come in a big brown box like this. It's a lifestyle box, and oh my God, how cute is that when you open it up? It's so sweet. This box is, you know, about recycling, and it's very big, and I don't know where to put it. Hold on, everybody. It's about recycling. I know that the companies they usually put in this box is usually Canadian, and is also companies that seem to give back to, you know, the community or, you know, to people. So we're just going to go in. This is their Christmas box. And just going to unwrap it up here. And then we have a mistletoe. Give me some kiss. All right, Miss Tati, you're going to have a mistletoe next to you. Can you see Miss Tati? Let's see. There's Miss Tati. Hello, girl. Girl didn't put out anything for Black Friday, but I don't blame her because she came out and said she was going to do something for Black Friday. And then she had said on her Instagram she didn't want to release a new product until everyone received her palette because it was all on pre-order, which I think that's a great way to, you know, run a company. All right, December 2019, so brown paper packages and, not the title. Lisa, you've lost your brain again. The theme of this month is Bling in the Holidays. And it says, this brown paper package includes items that the Hutch sisters have sourced to make you sparkle and shine this holiday season. And February's theme is Baby It's Cold Outside. And that ships February 1st. About the Hutch sisters staff works diligently to try to include the most unique, locally made, locally owned, fair trade, and ethically responsible products that we can find. We strive to make the packaging of our boxes not only safe for transportation, but to also try and limit our carbon footprint. We attempt to use as many recyclable items as possible and believe in the quality content of our items as opposed to flashy packaging. So that's why, you know, you're not seeing a flashy package. You know, they're trying to like recycle and, you know, help the environment. All right, so And this tells you what's in your box and how much everything is, okay? So it's $59.95 Canadian, I believe. I will make sure I have the proper prices down below because I can't find the memo on my phone, which I put it in last night. I know I did. Cute paper. It's like got little Christmas trees on it. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out is, I believe, is it hot chocolate? Hot chocolate trio, $6. 3 servings of a holiday classic. Add your favorite Kahlua or peppermint schnapps for a grown-up version. Locally owned. Oh, she said 3 servings. I got 4 in here. I must be special. So we got Gourmet Village mulled wine. Oh, this is a wine mix. Okay, the mulled wine mix is $4, and every brown paper package always has like an adult drink mix. So this is it right here. It's a mulled wine. And what do you do with this? Heat red wine, orange juice, package, and the contents of the package. Optional apple cider for a traditional holiday cocktail. Oh, interesting. So yeah, every brown package always has, you know, a little, some kind of a mix for some kind of an adult drink. That's pretty cool. All right. Then we have the 3 hot chocolate. So that was 4. This is 6. This is white hot chocolate. Double truffle with marshmallows hot chocolate. And then you have a double truffle hot chocolate, which is awesome because Madison was just saying yesterday she wanted some hot chocolate, so that's pretty cool. Why does my hair look all weird and funky? Like it just looks so weird. I have like flat hair, like flat head hair. You know, I wish my hair would stay up pookiness and like the celebrities do, but I guess, you know, you would have to put product in your hair for that, which I don't. All right. The next thing I'm pulling out is a phone mirror. This is rhinestone phone mirror. It's $12.50. The best way to discreetly check yourself out on the go. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, so you put it back. It's a mirror that you put on the back of your phone. That is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, that's a cool little trinket. Okay, I'm pulling this little bag. Oh, isn't this a cute little Christmas bag? And inside, the worms inside the bag are all like red, white, and green Christmassy worms. So it's a cute little Christmas box. All right, inside here we have, it is Berry Burst. Ooh, it's a Biotiful. That's what it's called. It's called, not beautiful, Biotiful. Detangler spray. It is $7.50. It's locally owned and made from natural ingredients. This detangle spray hydrates and makes the hair silky. And it's got scents of, I want to open it. How do I open you? Scents of cranberry, tangerine, raspberry, blackcurrant, almond, vanilla. Will keep your hair smooth and refreshed. Biotiful is committed to schools and sports clubs to support their fundraising campaigns through the sale of their products. That's cool. Oh, it smells very nice. It's nice and fruity. Okay, my kids will like, well, Madison will love that for sure. She's got long hair. And I love a detangler. Then we have, oh my God, the kids are going to love this. The Hutch Sisters hope you have a happy and peaceful holiday and wish you the best for 2020. And it's a little package with some little goodies there. So the kids are going to love that. Okay, and then I'm pulling out this here. This is, all right, that is such cute packaging. The way they personally like wrap it up and stuff, that's so sweet. All right, just gonna unwrap this. This is a, ooh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. Oh, this is, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this over the holidays. Look. It is a rhinestone necklace and earrings, and this is $19. So, and it's a locally owned business. So they really do support locally owned businesses here in Canada. And I'm in Toronto. So that's pretty cool, right? I like that. Ecose Canada is the name of the company. So that's nice. I love that. Nice and sparkly, going somewhere Christmas time. And then we have, I mean, I just think these are adorable. The little packages that everything come in. They're just so adorable. This is Skinlicious Peppermint Soap. This is $6.50. And it actually smells like peppermint. Like you can smell it. It smells like peppermint. I don't think I've ever had a soap before smell like peppermint. That's going to be interesting. I can't wait to try that. Because you know how if you peppermint some kind of like soothes your skin and you get a soothing feel. So I'm excited to try the soap. So that was $6.50. And I'm pulling this one out. This is, this is the Stray Cat Face and Body Liquid Highlighter, and this is $22. Stray Cat Cosmetics donates to animal charities. Liquid highlight in candlelight adds a subtle lit from within glow to face and body, and it's Canadian made and cruelty free. And so it's a liquid highlighter, and you can put it on your face and your body, because I know there's some stuff that you can't put on your face. Okay, come on. Oh, this is, I put way too much. Like, you only need to go in with a, look at the shine on that though. You only need to go in with a little tiny pump. I just, like, that was a little pump, and look at that. So that's a nice, it's almost like a rose gold. It kind of looks like a rose gold to me. I don't know, it could be my lights, but that's what it looks like to me, like a rose gold. It's very pretty. Okay, so that is Stray Cat Cosmetics. That's $22. And I better take that off because you know what? That's just going to get all over my clothes because I'm a mess like that. Okay, what else we got in here? Oh, else? There's also, on the bottom, there is little pamphlets about Beautiful and about their company. So that's pretty cool. I never heard of that company, so that's pretty cool. And it's Canadian, which is even better. All right, so the last thing in this bag is, oh, that's pretty. It is a red clutch bag for $34. It's a locally owned company. All right. So that's a bag. That is so pretty. Very Christmassy. Oh, and I love the fact that it's got a silver chain. So that would be gorgeous with, you know, pretty much any Christmas outfit you're going to wear. Have a nice little red clutch. And I love the fact that it's got a silver chain. Like, that is gorgeous. Very, very, very pretty. And I do not own a red clutch, which is awesome. Because I love red. Red's my favorite color. Love red. Oh, I had these pair of red boots one time. Girl, let me tell you. Okay, so just to recap, this clutch is $34. We had the, oh my God, I got all of these cute little packages all over the place. Madison's going to love the packages. We have the liquid highlighter, $22 from Stray Cat Cosmetics. We had the hair detangler from Beautiful. That's what it's called. Beautiful detangler spray. It's $7.50. We have the rhinestones, earrings, and necklace for $19. The bag of goodies. We had the phone mirror for $12.50. That's so cool. Put on back your phone. Then we also had the soap, peppermint soap for $6.50. We have the hot chocolate for $6, and we had the wine mix, which is $4. So that is brown paper packages, bling in the holiday Christmas box. The next box comes out February the 1st, and that theme again will be Baby, It's Cold Outside. Do you remember last year when they had that whole thing about that song? How people shouldn't play it on the radio? Oh my God, my husband spent, I swear to God, weeks singing that song because he was so mad that the radio took the song off. He spent weeks singing it like he did. Weeks. Anyways, that is brown paper packages. Let me know, what do you think about the box? I will leave the link down below. Again, I know it's $59.95 every 2 months. Next box comes out in February. I think shipping to Canada is $8. I don't know if it's $8.50 or $8.99. I have to figure out where the memo is on my phone so I can find that and figure this darn phone out. That's it, everyone. Don't forget to please like my video. Have a great day. I'll see you throughout the week. And if I can get my laptop working, I have to get it working for tomorrow because I feel like I really need to get it working for tomorrow. Ian's friend is working on it right now. They're watching football. So I apologize if you hear them in the background. But if that can get working today, I'm probably going to do a live tomorrow night. If I do, I will leave it on Instagram and on my Facebook page. Okay? Bye. Love you.